Hey guys, Got Level here, and today we're going to be talking about how to get viewers from Facebook group or social media in general to come to your Twitch live streams. If you follow this channel for a while, you know I'm mostly focused on Twitch streamers, and I try to give advice and tips and tricks and techniques on how to grow your channel and to possibly make this a full-time thing. So if you are streaming just as a hobby and all you want to do is just stream yourself having fun with friends, and it's just a part-time thing or just a hobby, this video is not for you. I'm sorry. I'm trying to make this video to mostly tell people that are really trying to grind and grow a huge following and be able to pay their bills with broadcasting content. Okay, so this is what this video is about. It's not scripted, so I'm gonna be rambling a lot once again. Of course, the first thing you probably are already doing it is to join Twitch Facebook groups. Okay, there's a lot of them. Some of them have up to like 40k people in them, and you're thinking, oh my god, 40,000 people can see my post, me going live, me posting my link. That's a huge pool of potential viewers, potential followers, potential regulars, potential subscribers, potential people that will help you pay your bills. Okay, I don't want to sound like I'm only talking about the money, but I really want you to know that I want you to make a connection with those potential followers. Okay, this is what I'm mostly about. It's not about donating. It's about having those people come in, connect with you, and become regulars, pretty much. So 40k people, that's a potential. If you join all of those Facebook groups combined, you can have up to 100k people that can potentially see your link. The problem is that I manage one of those Facebook groups, which is Twitch Connect. We only have about 5,000 people, well, less than 5,000 people today. Anyways, the reason why I make this video is because I've been seeing a lot of things. I've been an admin for like a year. I've seen a lot of things work and I've seen a lot of things not work, and I want to give you my insight on this. Okay, the biggest problem I've seen people have is that they don't know how Facebook works. It sounds very stupid, but sometimes you just have to ask them, because people come to me and they say, how do I do this? How do I do that? Why do those types of posts get more interaction than my posts? And most of the time you just ask them, hey, do you know how Facebook works? Do you know how like the algorithm processes and how it shows content to the users? Do you know how that works? Because technically, if you're in a group that has 20k people, when you go to your own feed, your profile feed or your main page, like your homepage on Facebook, it's not going to show you every post, right? It will show you some posts from the group, but it's not going to show you all of them. It will find the post that it thinks that you will enjoy because this post has a lot of interaction. More on that a little bit later. Basically, a lot of people do not know how Facebook works. So every time you want to use a social media platform for your own personal gain, well, it sounds a little scummy when I say it like that. When you want to use a social media platform for your brand to market yourself, you need to know how it. I was about to curse. You need to know how it works. You absolutely need to know how it works. You need to know the ins and outs. You need to know how other people are doing it and all of that. So if you don't know how it works, you're never gonna be successful in it. I'm gonna give you a couple of tips and tricks. Okay. First of all, Facebook will show a post to people if the post already has interactions. Facebook hates external links, which can be a problem when you're thinking about Twitch, because Twitch is an external link. Putting your Twitch link inside of Facebook, that's posting an external link. But what Facebook hates the most is external links with external links thumbnails, automatically generated thumbnails. Basically, if you only type something like, I'm going live on Fortnite, and you put your link and that generates a thumbnail and you post it, Facebook will do its best to not show it to people. Unless, of course, it was like organically boosted. If you have 10 people in the group that recognize you or that got a notification when you posted that, they're gonna click like, they're gonna type comments. All of a sudden, your post has 10 comments. Facebook is like, you know what? It has 10 comments. It's gonna boost it up. What Facebook loves the most is videos. If you're active on Facebook, you've probably seen a bunch of like those pages, those meme pages post like pictures, but it's actually a video file. I know there's a one in particular which is like always ends up with female thoughts or something like that. It's basically meme, and then at the end it says female thought, but it's a picture. The whole thing is a picture, but they made it so it's like a video. Why? Because the Facebook algorithm loves videos. Videos are the thing that is like the most shared on Facebook, and they love stacking them views. So the best way for you to post that you're going live is to, inside of Facebook, upload a little video. If you do not create videos, if you don't have an editing software, if you don't produce that kind of content, which you should, because technically if you're streaming on Twitch, you have clips, right? You might not have clips, but for people who have clips, you have clips. You can right click on those clips within Twitch, save video as, and boom, upload it to Facebook, put I'm going live with your Twitch link, and there you go. The algorithm will favorize your post over other people who just put, hey, I'm going live, and then just their link. Okay, one thing inside those videos, you need to, if you're doing marketing, video marketing in general, you need to, how do I put this? You need to use all the tools that you have, all the things that you know about the human brain. Okay, there are specific things that captivates us, that really draw our attention more than others. Bright colors, for example, a face, like the brain has an obsession with patterns, but mostly the human face. We're always looking, without even acknowledging it, we're always looking for human faces. I know that on Facebook, a thumbnail that has a human face compared to a thumbnail that only has text will get more interaction than the one that has just text. So use that. Bright colors, says the guy who has like, yeah, you can see it. You can see it in my setup actually. Like bright colors. I even have like the backlight with the lens flare and stuff, plus the colored lights and the little things, and shiny things in the background. Bright colors, human faces, things that move fast. Don't make it like completely. Don't make people get seizures when they watch your going live clips, but keep it short. This is one thing that is very important too. If I scroll down and I see someone talking, basically people like to do little intros like, oh, hey guys, come join me, we're gonna be playing this, and then we're gonna switch to that. I promise you it's gonna be a fun evening. This sounds like a good idea, right? And a lot of people are doing it, and that's already a good idea because you're already uploading a video to Facebook. But the attention span, people are scrolling down those groups. Okay, if they see your stuff, it's because they're scrolling, or because Facebook put it on their feed and they're also scrolling. Okay, so if I'm scrolling down and I see a video, most of the time I will pause. Okay, now do I click on the sound button? No, unless I look at it and I see that the video is like 5 seconds long and it implies that there is music or there is something important. If it's just a video of you being like, I'm not gonna turn on my sound for that. No, I'm probably already doing something else. I'm not gonna turn on my sound for that. So keep it short. Keep it short. I'd say under 30 seconds, but honestly, the shorter, the better. The funnier, the better. Funny videos are also the most shared thing on social media in general. People react better to funny stuff because they share that stuff. They enjoy seeing it and they want to share it. That's why more people are sharing those videos, because comedy is better than tragedy. And even like philosophical stuff, you will see a bunch of gurus on Facebook posting ads and being like, oh, technology has made us disconnected, and stuff like pretentious pricks. Anyways, I did not mean to go that way, but this is what you need to remember. Videos, always. Every time you're going live, post a flippin' video. Keep it short. Don't talk about your life. Don't tell us everything that's gonna happen. We don't care. We really don't care. We want to see your face because that's what our brains want, because we're not gonna turn on the sound. We want to see your face. We want to briefly see like your attitude. Are you smiling? Are you energetic? Or are you just like, hey guys, I'm going live now. That's boring. I'm not gonna click on that. Even if it's 5 minutes and if you have like the brightest color in the world, I'm not gonna click on that. So smile, energetic, show your face, show some bright colors, put your link inside of the video if you can, and if you can't, that's not a problem. Quick tip, not like I started the sentence earlier and I did not finish it. If you do not produce content, what you can do is go to Giphy. .com. Is it .com? I think it's .com. Giphy.com. Type anything, and you can in the download section you can download it as an MP4. So basically, you can post GIFs as an MP4. You're like, wait, I can post GIFs as GIFs in Facebook. Facebook prefers videos. Okay, so download that GIF as an MP4, upload it to Facebook. It's gonna auto loop it like it was a GIF anyways, and that puts you on top thanks to the algorithm. And if people interact with your stuff because it's funny, they will type a message, they will type a comment, someone else will type a comment. The more comments you have, the better it is. Okay guys, that's was it for me. This video is becoming way too long. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Join Twitch Connect on Facebook because I'm the admin. I will see you guys there. Unless you're a prick, I will not accept any pricks. And I will see you guys next time. Feel free to subscribe if you want more tips about how to grow your channel and on social media in general. And I will see you next time. I think I said I will see you next time. At least 3 times now. I will see you next time. Get level out.